How to fix Windows 11 hang problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can fix if your Windows 11 keeps on freezing or hang problem. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, if your Windows 11 is freezed up, now you have to press your Control key, Shift key and Escape key on your keyboard all together at once. That will open up Task Manager in your device. Now once you open up Task Manager, under this application, you have to select the application that is using most of your memory and your CPU. After that, select the application, right click on the application, then you have to click on End Task. After you do that, your problem will be solved. If that still does not work, then you have to look for a service that is Windows Explorer. Click on the search bar at the top and then you have to search for Windows Explorer. Once you find it, you have to click on it and click on Restart Task at the top right corner, and that will help you solve your problem. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.